Navigating the UK student loan system, what you need to know. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to determine how much student loan you may need in the UK. 1. Understand your cost. Firstly, calculate all your expenses associated with attending university. This includes tuition fees, accommodation, food, transportation, study materials, and any other living expenses. Make sure to consider any potential changes in living costs based on the location of your university. Number 2. Research tuition fees. Look up the tuition fees for the courses you are interested in at various universities. Different courses and universities may have different fee structures, so it is essential to check this information for each institution you are considering. Number 3. Check maintenance loan eligibility. The UK government offers maintenance loans to help cover living costs while you are studying. The amount you can receive depends on your household income, where you'll be living while studying, and your course intensity. Use the student finance calculator provided by the government to estimate how much maintenance loan you could be eligible for. Number 4. Estimate accommodation cost. Research the cost of accommodation in the area where your chosen university is located. Universities typically provide estimates for accommodation cost, but you can also look at private rentals and student housing options to get a better idea of the range of prices. Number 5. Calculate additional expenses. Factor in other living expenses such as food, transportation, study materials, and personal expenses. These costs can vary widely depending on your lifestyle and spending habits, so it is crucial to make realistic estimates based on your needs. And speaking of crucial, your support is crucial for us, so please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Number 6. Consider additional funding sources. Explore other potential sources of funding such as scholarships, grants, bursaries, part-time work, or financial support from family members. These additional funds can help reduce the amount of student loan you will need to borrow. Number 7. Use online tools. There are many online tools and resources available to help you calculate how much student loan you may need. Websites like Save the Student offer budget calculators specifically designed for students, which can give you a clearer picture of your financial needs. Number 8. Review and adjust. Once you have gathered all the necessary information, calculated your expenses, review your budget to ensure it is realistic and manageable. If necessary, adjust your plans or consider alternative options to reduce your borrowing or increase your funding sources. Number 9. Apply for student finance. After determining how much student loan you need, you can apply for student finance through the Student Loans Company. The application process typically involves providing information about your course, household income, and living arrangements. Make sure to submit your application before the deadline to ensure timely processing of your funding. Number 10. Monitor your finances. Keep track of your finances throughout your studies to ensure you are staying within your budget and managing your student loan effectively. Consider creating a budget plan and regularly reviewing your expenses to identify any areas where you can save money or make adjustments. By following these steps, you can determine how much student loan you will need to cover your expenses while studying in the UK. Remember to plan carefully and explore all available funding options to make informed decisions about your finances. As we come to the end of our journey together, remember, the magic doesn't end here. It is just the beginning. But before we depart, let us weave one last spell together. If you have enjoyed this journey, don't let the magic fade away just yet. Join our awesome community by subscribing to our channel, where the adventure continues with every new video. And allow me to share this quotation with you by Maya Angelou. You may encounter many defeats, but you must not be defeated. In fact, it may be necessary to encounter the defeat so you can know who you are, what you can rise from, how you can still come out of it. Together, we will unlock the secrets of the universe, one spell at a time. So until we meet again, may your dreams be as boundless as the stars.